If you have watched my previous videos, you now understand what AI is, where it is used, and how it affects IT jobs. But the big question is, are you ready to actually start using AI? In this video, I will help you decide that. Hi, I am Avinash. In this video, we will do a quick checkpoint to see if you are ready to move from understanding AI to using AI in real work. There is no pressure, no rush, just clarity. This session provides a concise yet comprehensive summary of what we learned in Phase 1. It aims to clarify what AI truly is, differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, and highlight where AI is already integrated into IT workflows. Additionally, it explores what AI can and what AI cannot do, how IT roles are evolving due to AI adoption, and offers a practical roadmap for learning and applying AI daily. The goal is to empower IT professionals to leverage AI responsibly and effectively, enhancing productivity while maintaining governance and accountability. The agenda includes the following section: what AI really is and what it is not, AI versus ML versus deep learning, where AI is already used in IT jobs, what AI can do and cannot do, how AI is changing IT roles, how to start learning AI step by step and use it in daily work, and how to use AI daily at work. Each section is designed to provide actionable insights and real world examples. So let's move on. So what AI is and what AI is not, and difference between AI, ML, and deep learning. Let's understand it. So AI refers to systems that simulate aspects of human intelligence such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. In IT, AI manifests through capabilities like natural language processing, pattern recognition, and predictive analysis. However, AI is not magic. It does not understand business context, guarantee correctness, or replace human accountability. Treat AI as a powerful assistant that accelerate tasks but require human oversight for validation and governance. AI is the concept of machines performing tasks that mimic human intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of AI where algorithms learn from data to make predictions or decisions. Deep learning is a subset of ML, uses multi-layered neural networks to process complex data, excelling in tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. Generative AI builds on DL, creates new content such as text, code, or image. Understanding these distinctions help IT professionals choose right tool and technique for specific problems. So let's see the current use cases of AI in IT jobs. AI is already embedded in IT workflows. In development, tools like GitHub Copilot assist with code generation, test creation, and documentation. Research shows developers complete tasks up to 55% faster using AI assisted coding. In operations, AI ops platforms leverage machine learning and big data to automate event correlation, anomalies detection, and root cause analysis. In support and security, AI enabled ticketing, tickets, automated response, and threat intelligence analysis. These applications demonstrate AI tangible impact on productivity and efficiency. Now we will see what AI can and what AI cannot do. AI excel at accelerating repetitive tasks, generating drafts, summarizing logs, and correlating alerts. It can propose solutions and automate routine processes. However, AI cannot guarantee correctness without validation, understand business context, or replace human judgment in architecture decisions and ethical coordinations. The best practice is to use AI for speed and efficiency while maintaining validation through test, peer review, and governance frameworks. So let's understand how roles are changing in the upcoming slides. AI is shifting IT roles from routine execution to strategic oversight. Tasks like manual log scanning, coding, repetitive ticket updates are being automated. Meanwhile, responsibilities such as framing, reviewing AI output for quality and security, designing architecture, and ensuring compliance are becoming more critical. IT professionals should focus on high values activities that require human judgment and creativity, positioning them for long term career growth. So, let's see a step by step learning plan using AI daily at work, although we will cover same in upcoming phases. A practical learning roadmap includes Foundation, Python and basic statics, data SQL modeling and quality checks, ML core training, simple models and evaluation, ML ops, experiment tracking and deployment, generative AI, prompt engineering and retrieval augmented generation, and responsible AI. Learning by building small projects aligned with your jobs ensure faster skill acquisition and practical relevance. Include using AI to generate unit tests, optimize SQL queries, summarize incident logs, and draft security checklist. Always include environment specific constraints in prompt and validate output before production deployment. Well, there are some common doubts like I do not know coding. So that's okay. If you are not if you do not know coding, that's fine. Phase 2 is not, about heavy coding. Doubt 2, I'm not from, data science. You do not need to be. AI is for IT professionals too. I'm too late to start AI. You're not late. AI is still evolving. Understanding AI now is better than rushing blindly. So let me tell you exactly what phase 2 is all about. We will understand AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini. We will see how AI is used for daily office work, how AI is used for troubleshooting and documentation. We will understand basic Python uses. We will create small practical examples. Phase 2 is about working smarter, not becoming a data scientist. In the next video, we will officially start phase 2. We will begin with AI tools that IT professionals can safely and practically use. If phase 1 is helped you, phase 2 will definitely help to apply. Subscribe if you want step by step AI learning without hype. Thank you.